Hello everyone, you're watching Jana FX and I am doing a live video. Just want to check first if we actually have sound. It's just very slow. I don't know. It's I do really hope that we do have the sound, but it looks like it takes ages to load the page. Yes, and it's not well. I hope you can hear me. So let me just guys wait. I want to check if we definitely have the sound. Can hear me, so let me just guys wait. Okay, yes, so it is all right, so you can hear me. Okay, I haven't made this live stream for quite a while. Okay guys, so I thought I will do this one because I wanted to show you this trading with the EA auto trading, because when I did video on Sunday I showed you that the previous week we had 159. It's a cent account again, 159 cents it made, so $1.59. And remember, it was floating 200 something, right? And so I just wanted to show you that, as you can see now, there is nothing floating. The trades were recovered, and I want to show you now the result for this week. Okay, so you can see, because again we still have few days left, and so that's why I just see sometimes showing looking at what happens during the week could be not the same as the total result afterwards, right? So because a lot of people are always interested what's the exact profit, how much you make a day, a week, a month. It's always hard to say, because you see now, like this week, there will be those recovered trades, and it's for now is shown as $3.55, as you can see, guys. So it's $3.55 it's made, and no trades at this moment. It's on. We're gonna have finishing the session in a minute, right? The market will close, and I'm just gonna continue with this account. So once again, if you're watching first time, this is the cent account which I opened to test the new setting in my EA. I trade mostly manually, placing the orders, and I use the EA to continue run the trades, okay? But entry points are all manual. So with a new feature, the EA picks the trades itself, okay? And it uses the same principle, the system I use when it closes half positions. Well, you can see here I have slightly less take profit, because this is pretty much scalping. So I have like 110 points, okay? So it's closing half positions, 110 points. The lot size I increased a little bit. Is just to show you, to see a little bit. As you can see, it's all on left side. Here we have quite a bit. It's all okay, a little bit here. So you can see right here, that's the lot size is 0.04 right now, so it closes 0.02 at 110, and the rest of 0.02 it runs with the trailing stop, okay? So and then you see, it's like here it explains to like trails 222 points with 111 points step after 333 points. So after the market moves now 300, so first it moves stop loss into break even, and with the 80 points, so it's only 8 pips behind the price. So, and then if it moves 333 points, it uses the trailing stop, okay? So that means the profit could be as increased, right? Because you can see I have most here is 0.02, 0.02 because the lot was split, and you see this the first that's the profit it took, and then it was running by closed by trailing stop. You see this stop losses, it doesn't mean it's closed by stop loss, like it's not loss, it's closed by a trailing stop. Okay, so that's how the my usual system works. As you can see, you have lots and lots of trades. So yes, it picks up like quite nice trades, and then of course from time to time it has losing trades, which it recovers me if the recovery system I use in my usual trading. Okay, so but now as you can see, there's a lot of trades. It's scalping, which it's unfortunately for me, like doing it all manually to look for those entry points is impossible, right? But it doesn't have huge, doesn't place a lot of trades. Okay, so but it picks some trades, right? So with the recovery, guys, well, unfortunately right now there is no money management on this. Okay, so I have well, I placed the maximum lot size is 3 lots, which I don't know if it shows here or not. Recovery says yes, you see the maximum lot size is 3 lots. Maybe I will increase a little bit more. At this moment it did not reach this yet. We don't know if it will in the future or not, but this moment I limited to 3 lots. So we will see, but really I don't use much of the money management. This is like either make it or lose it. Okay, so that's at this moment that's the principle. I mean, of course I could have changed the lot size, and then during recovery it will never go above the lot size I can put, but I thought 3 lots is still should be okay, because it is like 50,000 account, which is again 500 really is now, you see. So we made profit because when I put it was 4.9 so it's profitable, but I just you see, I want to see, because it's very hard to figure out what the money management to use here, the risk. Okay, so that's why I want to see how big the lot size can go, and maybe decide. But at this moment it's just wherever it makes or lose. We will see what's gonna happen. Okay, so that's just a bit of updates with this account. So I'm just going to finish in a minute. I'm just going to leave it, well, except actually it's going to be not happening anything, right? So let's just see and about placing the possible orders on my normal account, trading accounts. I'm not going to open the other one, it's because it's showing this one right now, so I'm just going to show you on this one what I will be looking at. Okay, and then of course as usual after the market opens, for me midnight London time, for you guys you just think about the London time, midnight. Okay, so but for me it will be +1, okay, because I'm in Gibraltar, so I'm +1. And so at this moment I'm looking at this area, and we have a bit of consolidation. So unfortunately, well, it's not unfortunately, but the market moved. I was expecting more going into consolidation, and expected that we will not be taking this bottom because there is so much at the tops here to take, but because there was a little bit more uncertainty, except what the Fed said last time, it was obvious that it should continue to go down, but there were like split opinions of different people, and the market was expected to go. So there was like some about the China, so it looks like nothing happened, right? Okay, so what to expect at this moment? It kind of came out right from the consolidation, but still came back again. So into, well, plus minus, you see here that is like, I'm not using this much for, I don't need to use the technical analysis for this account because it trades without technical analysis at all. It just trades on, it says buys and sells based on RSI. So, but basically, you see, if I put this level, right, where we had those previous bottoms, that it moved down and then came back again in the same area. And I had trades, so I sent Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, right? So I sent on Sunday I didn't send any trades, but Monday and Tuesday, right? So we had one here, actually we had two here, and they all both closed with losses because they were again placed both directions at was right here, right? Yeah, Asian session. And that's what I was warning you guys, because it's a summertime, so you probably noticed that a bit more we have catching more losing trades placing during Asian session. So you see, like the first it moved down a little bit and then jumped up, and so it caught one trade and another trade, but then it moved nicely, it's covered it all. Okay, so it's all also closed out with profits. And today also I used this area, and we had a trade went down, and then I had another trade, I had another buy here, and the small movement was, so it also was profitable trade. So you see, I'm not placing the big take profits still. As you can see, that it's still safer to trade this way, except of course when we're making it moves really nice big moves it makes, you can add the positions, okay? But usually they would happen more during the day. Now Asian sessions are a bit slower, so that's why maybe I will I'm still gonna place, because that's what I'm saying, guys. Use money management if you're not sure, like during Asian session. You see, like for example, this I placed during Asian session, but you see I didn't cancel it as it was continue moving during the day. So that's why, for example, if you follow my screenshots in Telegram, again, Jana FX, my Telegram channel, absolutely free. And if you're not sure about the Asian session, you can see what is happening next day, right? The European, London, American session is the most the moves now, okay, during American session. So just wanted you to, unfortunately I can't be always at the screen in time by the moves at American session. That's why I still prefer to place during Asian session. And this EA, I'm using my EA, which set up, if I made a loss, it recovers and it makes an even bigger profit than original profit, right? So for example, original profit would be like just only 10 pips or like 20 pips, wherever you will see a setup. But with recovery, there is also a setting there where you can increase a little bit of profit, so it will make, instead of like 10-20 pips, it will make a little bit more, like 25-30 pips. Okay, so that's why even if it catches the bad trade, it still makes it back, makes profit. Okay, so that's why I still will be placing my orders. I will share it with you, but I'm just warning you again, it's a summertime, so be careful, because gold might just go into side and might not make a big move for a few days. So like we need you see, like about 190 pips move, or 1900 points. That's what we need if there is a trading recovery. So we need to recover it, we need to move like this, okay? So because it will be, well, depends where it will go into, because it might not need that much. I usually just need like 90 points, 90 pips on 100 points, but it just needs sometimes a little bit more. Depends where it placed and any other recoveries it did. Okay, so this is the area I will be looking exactly, see the same where I had it from the last night. So last night it was around this area, the orders, and going to be the same here. So I'm just going to show you where I'm going to place it. Okay, and this is going to be for 22nd of June. So right now we are in still 21st of June for me. Okay, and so this is where I just need to check how wide. It's quite wide channel. Okay, so maybe I would, so the problem is now I need to see when the market opens. So okay, the market opens and few minutes would have to wait, but basically something like this, probably just a little bit smaller. I don't like too much. Why? You see 50 pips is still quite a bit wide. Usually I like up to 30 pips. Why is that? Because the shorter the The smaller the channel, the smaller like that big move we need if we will be in recovery. But the wider it is, it's less accurate for the recovery. Okay, so that's why I like a little bit narrower. But market opens, if it's going to stay in the same area, so this is where I'm going to place my orders. Okay, but not on this account. Okay, not on this account. I'm not using the orders. Okay, I'm not placing them. This is all fully automatic. I do not touch this account at all. So I just wanted to show you here, and only after the market opens again. Okay, so that's pretty much it, what I wanted to show you. Of course, what's the expectation still from here? At some point, of course, the gold will collect all of this, but okay, maybe right now it would continue to fall, because remember I was telling you we still have a gap here, guys, so that's what still